What's the meaning of consequences? Consequences. Consequences.
Consequences. Consequences. Consequences refer to the results or effects that occur as a direct or indirect outcome of a particular action or decision. These effects can be positive or negative, depending on the circumstances. For example, if someone chooses to skip school regularly, the consequences could include poor academic performance, a lack of qualifications, or even legal penalties for truancy. Similarly, if a company makes environmentally harmful decisions, the consequences could include damage to the ecosystem, negative public perception, and potential legal action. Ultimately, consequences are the end result of a choice or situation and can have long-lasting impacts.